Will I ever get any work done? Want some more worms? That's made you tootle. Sorry, I've got to do something. Okay, it's your turn. That was a nice one, wasn't it? Yeah, go on, go in my shed. I'm not bothered. Well, that's certainly nice on a chilly afternoon, but I'm pleased I've got this job done. Kept stopping for the robin, let him have his belly filled, but now we've got all this half tidy. Another little job done, hour's work. I'm going to move the giro, some artichokes and all those bits so that looks all tidy. And I'll finish topping this bed up with some wood chips and leaf mould and some other bits of soil, and I'm just going to enjoy my brew. I'll give all this a good wash down, get all that soil off, and my rope works well. So all this is nice and tidy now. the wood can breathe again. It's looking nice. Right, I'm certainly enjoying the fire today. I had an email just before the end of last year. I think it was beginning of December, and they congratulated me on how many videos I kept producing during the lockdown and COVID-19, etc. And they just quoted me 3,500 new subscribers, 500,000 views, 23,333 likes, and for some reason they've said 122,531 comments replied to. I would imagine that's since I've been on YouTube, but I'm getting close now to 1.5 million views, so thank you very much for supporting me. For those that watch my videos from start to finish, that just helps me buy a few things for the allotment and a few of the projects that I do, which I'll share with you. So many thanks to you, and hopefully here's to a cracking 2021. Looks like we're nearly ready for another brew. Happy gardening to you all. Till next time, my friends. Ta-ra for now.